24, 24. Let's go take a look. Just run a little post-class mini stage setup here. So let's see, each target is getting hit twice. So 4 alphas. Got 3 alphas, 1 Charlie, 1 for 1 with the steel. Got 4 alphas here. Let's see, 4 alphas there. Four alphas there. And looks like 3 alpha, 1 Charlie. So this is just one of the things we were running for the Pistol Foundation class today at the end of the day. Demoed it a few times and decided to run it a few more times after class was over. So a lot of things going on. Each target is getting hit twice. Got a bunch of different distances going on out here. Got a reload thrown in, the agility poles, got some hardcover, partials, no shoots, all that stuff, some steel. So fun, testing a lot of skills, working a bunch of different things. So that's it, kids. I'm going home. Bye-bye.